5 ways how to make money online. Let me help you generate some extra cash on the side, or build a complete income working online just using your laptop. 1. Get paid for your opinions. Real and direct jobs from hundreds of companies. Thousands of paid surveys listed each month. 2. Take internet surveys for businesses. There is nothing better than being able to succeed while enjoying the comfort and quiet of your very own home. You can complete surveys while you watch TV or listen to music. You could even complete surveys while you are chatting online, or talking to friends on Facebook. 3. Writing jobs online. Earn an income just writing articles from your own home, in your own time. Get paid to write articles, blog posts, ebooks and many more. 4. Get paid to use Facebook and Twitter. The hottest new work-at-home trend. Nowadays work for me involves logging on to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, reading and replying to some comments and scheduling some posts for the day. The businesses that I do this for don't have the time to do this work themselves, and it's not enough work to hire someone full-time, so they pay me to do the work for them part-time from home. 5. Start, launch and grow your digital business. Just let legendary entrepreneurs show you how to do it. Having a mentor greatly speeds up your success. So, the perfect time to start your internet business has come now. Now click the link below to visit my guide on how to do it and start today.